Hey, hello circus fans. Today we're creating a demented clown. That's right, day 9, monster 9. First we're going to divide the page into thirds, as you see me doing here. His head takes up about half the size of his body. He is a cartoon after all. Notice how I've developed his shirt and his pant legs at the bottom half of his figure. Notice also that his facial features are developed in the top half of the figure. After cleaning up my erasure marks, I'm going to work on his arms and hands. Now we can outline the entire character with Sharpie to provide a contour and also a basis to add the color art on this guy. One more time with our eraser, clean this guy up before we start to add some color. I enjoy using oil pastels to create the color on my characters. It's quick and easy and you can smudge it in with your finger. Finish this demented clown with some pencil shading along his pant legs and maybe the upper lip on his teeth, and you're just about done with this guy. It's been a lot of fun. He's a crazy kind of monster for day 9, monster 9. Enjoy, like, and subscribe.